How to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve 20. If you want to make your video cuts smoother with transitions, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open DaVinci Resolve 20 and open your project. Next, go to the Edit page and make sure your video clips are already placed on the timeline. Now, open the Effects library in the top left corner. Expand the Video Transitions category to see all the available transitions. Browse through the list and find the transition you want to use, such as cross dissolve. Next, drag the transition and drop it between two clips on the timeline. To adjust the transition length, click on the transition in the timeline and drag either edge to make it longer or shorter. You can also open the inspector in the top right corner to adjust additional transition settings if they're available. Press the spacebar to preview your transition and make sure it looks the way you want. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.